We are pleased to show you the 2018 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.